So, ayun, no? Naki-birthday ka, hindi ka naman invited, no? And then, dahil patay gutom ka nga, humingi ka pa ng pizza. So, yan, no? So, let's say, you're offered a one slice of round pizza, or in other words, a sector of a circle. The condition here is that the slice must have a perimeter of 32 inches. Again, no? Perimeter is the sum of all sides. Okay, now, given this condition, what diameter pizza will reward you the most significant slice? Okay, so, ang ima-maximize natin dito, since sabi niya, will reward you the most significant slice, is the area ng slice ng pizza. Okay, pizza is a circle. If you are getting a slice of a pizza, you are getting a sector of the circle. Okay, so let's say, syempre pag nag-slice ka from the center yan, no? Let's say this is R, radius ng circle mo, R din yan, no? And then let's say itong angle na to is your angle theta, no? And then let's say ito, this is an arc of a circle, no? For you to solve the arc of a circle, that is simply radius times yung angle mo, no? R theta. So ilagay natin dito. Radius, theta, R theta. Okay? So what we want to do here is to maximize the area of the sector or yung area ng slice mo. You cannot solve this problem if you do not know the formula for area of a sector. So, ibibigay ko na yan sa inyo. So, the formula for area of a sector in terms of radius, that is simply 1/2 r squared theta. Ano? So, yan yung ima-maximize natin. But as you can see here, the formula gives us two variables, the radius and your angle theta. We need to write this equation into one variable only. Yung isa magagaling dun sa condition natin, no? Our condition is that the perimeter of your slice is simply equal to 32 inches. No? Perimeter is sum of all sides. So, equation na ma-derive natin for perimeter, ano ba yung sides na meron tayo sa slice na yan? Yung dalawang radius mo, plus ito. No? Di ba ito perimeter? No? Plus ito. That is r theta. You call this the length of the arc of a circle, of the sector of a circle. Okay? So, our perimeter should be 32 inches. So, you have 2r plus r theta. Or simply, in terms of theta, no, you have 32, transpose mo si 2r, and then divide both sides by r. So, you have now theta is equal to 32 minus 2r divided by r. Let's say this is equation 1. Ito naman equation 2. Okay. So, plugging equation 2 into equation 1, our area of a sector now is equal to 1/2 r squared times 32 minus 2r divided by r. I think pagandahin natin. So, you have 1/2 r squared multiplied by 32 minus 2r divided by r. Before we apply derivative here, let's try to simplify this, no, as much as we can. Ang first na mangyayari dito, magka-cancel yung r. So, may matitirang isang r na lang. And then you distribute r here. So, we have for the area of the sector, 32r minus 2r squared divided by 2. Okay? Ano pa napapansin nyo dyan? Pwede natin ihiwalay ito. Pwede siyang i-write as 32r over 2 minus 2r squared over 2. This will cancel out. 32 divided by 2, that would give you 16. So we have now area of the sector is equal to 16r minus r squared. Okay? These are all in terms of r. Pwede na tayo mag-derivative in terms of r. So this would be now a prime of r. Ayan. Ang differential ni 16r, that is 16. Differential ni r squared, that is 2r. Since ito yung in-optimize natin, yung area, equate mo yan sa 0. So you have 16 minus 2r. Transpose 2r sa left side, so negative maging positive. Para maging r na lang yan, divide both sides by 2. So r now is equal to 8. But the question is, no, itong radius na ba to would give you the most significant slice? When you say most significant, the maximum slice. Check natin. No? I-check natin kung ito magbibigay sa'yo ng maximum area ng pizza. So, balikan muna natin yung equation ng sector natin. Ito. No? Yung first derivative natin, ito. Ayan, balikan natin yan. We do the second derivative test. No? So, a double prime of r. Derivative ng 16, 0. Derivative ni 2r, 2. So, as you can see, ang sagot natin dito negative. Since negative, this will give you the maximum. No? So, itong r8 na to, r is equal to 8, itong radius na 8, would give you the maximum area. But the problem is asking for what diameter of pizza will reward you. The formula of diameter is simply twice of your radius. So, the diameter that would give you the biggest slice, given that the perimeter should be 32 inches, is equal to 16 inches. Paano naging 16? 8 times 2, 16. Oh, so yan na yung sagot. No? So, ito na yung buong solution natin for this particular problem. Di ba easy lang?